We are back with you for more of Season 75 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Here's that one-handed dig by Gumabao that kept it alive and eventually gave the point via the off-speed attack. Oh no, not really an off-speed attack, but a softer version of an attack from Ara Galang as Jeron Teng from the De La Salle basketball team in attendance. Vice Ganda, a huge volleyball fan as we know, who usually supports FPU, but is here obviously for volleyball reasons. Part of the close to 19,000. We'll give you a final number on the crowd. And also, Ian, with the final number that we'll get later, we'll put it in perspective in terms of UAP record attendance mamaya-maya.
Pero siguradong
Hintayin lang
malayo
natin. And remember, this is volleyball. So it's the first time that the Mall of Asia is hosting a volleyball match. And it has been going on since the morning. Kanina yung men's team. And Michelle Gumabao able to give them another 5-point lead. That's the biggest lead so far here in the match.
Kayong receiver, abangan nyo. O yung dalawa, di abangan ninyo. Yung problema, parang naghihintayan kayong tumapat sa inyo yung bola bago nyo re-receive. Jem, ang play natin, gusto natin mabilis. Pero mo yun, wala na silang inabangan sa pick. Bigay ka agad kay Baldo ng bola. May mga play kanina, ang ganda nung chance ball. Si Baldo kumwik, binigay mo sa patong. May chance ball tayo, dun tayo sa mabibilis. Last resort natin yung open.
Alam mo, Ian, marami rin tayong mga manonood dito for the very first time as you see the coaching staff, including the former star, Charo Soriano. So maraming first-timers na nanonood dito sa Mall of Asia. Maraming first-timers na nanonood sa TV. So, tatanungin kita minsan na basic volleyball, Ian. First of all, bakit nga ba na hinahanap ni Coach Roger na mabibilis yung play?
Well, sinabihin niya si Jem, you've become so predictable. It's always the slow plays outside set. You've got tall blockers in front of you. What you need to go against tall blockers is to change up the plays, go for quicker plays para kahit paano, isa lang ang nakakasabay. If you give this De La Salle players always outside sets, laging dalawa, tatlo, na napakalalaking blocker. So what you need to do is to pull them, give them different looks, make sure that the sets are quicker. Sabi nga niya, quick play sana, hanggang maaari. And last option na lang, yung outside set. So that's very important for Jem to understand.
Best blocking team in the league. 4 DLSU players are in the top 10 of blocking. As Eliza Valdez gives a 3-point to the defending champions here. And Aragalan now.
Very, very important are these errors, Boom. Right now, hindi pa natin masyado napapansin, but this will really come into play.
And these are 2 very good servers that si Ara nakakadalawa na siya.
Dalawa na yan. Pangalawa na ni Ara.
These girls are in the top 10. And again, it's nervous energy, really. In this big, historic moment in UAP and Philippine volleyball. Herbacio.
I like the control this time from the serve of Z. Hindi niya pinilit. Another good drop.
And some of them are very simple drops, Ian. It seems that Ateneo has been a little bit slow.
Yes, and sometimes the reaction time differs, especially if you're distracted, you've got a big crowd in front of you, hindi yung normal na kilos mo. Like what I said, the first set's going to be an adjustment stage, and whoever team adjusts better, and of course sooner, would definitely have the edge.
The digging and floor defense of La Salle has also been solid here. So even kung makalusot yung mga palo, katulad nung kay Gretchen Ho, yung running attack, nahuhuli pa rin ng floor defense. At sila naman, hindi nababalikan.
Lagi silang napapatayan actually doon sa dulo na yun.
Sila naman din maaabot ng blocker. Ginagawa nila doon sa ibabaw pinadadaan. Ano bang inaabangan ng depensa rito sa likuran, Jem? Maliwanag ang instruction ko sa'yo, huwag mong habulin. Nandito na yung spiker, hinahabol mo pa ng block ng diagonal. Dito ka na lang. Mga mo papunta rito. Malayo na hinahabol mo, bubutas ng malaki. Ito naman, di uma-adjust dito. Hindi tayo pwede, kailangan sipagan nyo. Hindi pwede nga. Naghihintayan tayo ng gagawin.
Coach Roger read it really well. The defense isn't reacting. It's like they're just looking at each other, expecting that their teammate will be the one to get to the ball first. Baliktad. Dapat, sabi nga niya, hindi pwedeng yan. Kailangan magsipag kayo, magtrabaho, and you be aggressive on defense.
Former Saints Co player. Serving. Former Saints Co player also. O si Phil Kainglet. Shoo! Ay ilalim sa bola. Walang spin. But they have a comfortable 5-point lead as we speak. 16 serving 21.
And you know, Boom, these long balls coming from De La Salle, this doesn't happen by chance. This is part of the game plan. I'm sure nabasa ng maigi ng scouting coaches ng
Great
De La
point.
Salle yung
Sa likod.
weakness ng depensa ng Ateneo.
Zone 1.
Yun, mga kanto, linya.
2 straight points for Ateneo. To come up and be behind by 4. 17, serving 21. They're targeting the back line, ano? The back line mismo as a timeout will be called. Coach Ramil, nagre-reklamo. Kanina pa raw siya pumindot.
Okay? Receive lang tayo, ha? Tapos, pag naka-receive, pag-iwalay yung spiker, lapit mo ng konti sa net. Lumayo eh. Nasa harap si Peral kanina. Okay? So, pag gano'n, pasok lang ng pasok yung Abi.
Yes, coach.
Ha? Pagatin mo na yung gitna. Pagka hindi, bumuka ka.
Okay, coach.
Sige, go.
Good.
Tapos ang black, unahin mo.
In command of that timeout is the 15-year coach. Ramil De Jesus, 7 championships. Coming off back-to-back, looking for another one.
And one of the true masters on the momentum swing. Kita mo yun,
And preparation.
malayo pa yan eh.
Oo.
Kung titignan mo, pero nararamdaman niya.
May konting,
Yung Phil Kainglet, umiinit, yung Alisa Valdez, nandiyan, yung Gretchen, and he just wants to, you know, protect this as much as he can. And,
It's wide, it's wide. It's a good combination play, but it's wide, giving Ateneo another point here.
just missing the line
Yep,
by a few
this
inches.
much.
Yeah, look at this. Where's the line? Ooh!
Shadow.
Isang gulong na lang sana nung... Oh!
It's a good serve. Ren Chen Ho has improved her serve exponentially to the years that she's been playing here in the UAP. And wow, back to back timeout.
Huwag mong sasabayan ng talong, paunahin mo, ha? Sabihin po lang natin na magandang receive. Tapos siguraduhin lang yung set. Siguraduhin yung set. Pagka nakikita nyo magandang set, gawa ng paraan ng striker. Yung palo, nakikita naman natin, nag-aabang na lang yung kalaban nyo eh. Ha? Kailangan na mabasag yung gitna, Abi. Nagkaka-double block eh, hindi mo na napatangay. Hindi mo siya nabibigyan ng bola. So yung walang tatangay, hindi sasabay sa kanya pag gano'n. Ha? Pag-iwalay mo, pag-iwalay mo.
Coach Ramil again making sure that the formation and defense is followed. Abi Maraño, very crucial and key to this defense since she's the center blocker. She has to guide the blockers, which in turn will have the floor defense ready for those empty, for those clear outs in the block. Another good block this time from Tejada.
Chu again off speed this time. Ateneo anticipating it. Phil Kainglet. Fajardo sets up Maraño. And a quick, maybe not a well-designed play,
Yeah.
but these are where good setters come into play, and you know this
Yes.
firsthand. Yung ad-lib habang naglalaro.
Totoo yun, totoo yun. It didn't look good, but that final set and the hit from Abby made all the difference.
Oh, nagkagawan.
Uy, hindi maganda yun.
Miscommunication on the back row attack.
Top spin hit.
Yun na naman yung butas, oh.
Mhm.
Kainglet.
Kanina pa yun.
Abby Maraño got out of the way just in time. Fajardo calls play number 5. Kainglet.
Grabe. Phil Kainglet hitting into a double block. She had a difficult time getting this through because the ball was coming from behind her. So,
Kaya-
hindi niya nakita kung sino yung blockers na sa harap niya.
Ateneo, of course, has championship aspirations. They made it to the
Nice
finals
serve.
for the very first time last year against their nemesis.
Wow, how did Jem get that?
Oh, and then Lazaro couldn't get to the spot.
Umago playing an excellent first set.
In control, under control.
In the Solo, you can see her really eyeing the hands of the blockers. Kita mo, dun lang siya nakatingin.
24 serving, 19.
Another good serve from
And
Fajardo.
a free ball for LaSalle. Chance ball for Maraño, and she puts it away. And the
captain.
first set is pocketed by the defending champions. They started off strong, and they ended the first set strong. But it is only the first set. An emphatic win, nevertheless. 25-19 is our score. Second game of our Saturday doubleheader. A historic moment for UAP volleyball here at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City.